Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download Safeway digital coupons on Android. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for Safeway, then download and install the official Safeway app. Now open the Safeway app and sign in with your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up and follow the steps to create one. And once you're logged in, look at the bottom of the screen and tap Deals. This is where all the digital coupons are stored. And now you'll see the list of all available deals and offers. Scroll through the browse categories like groceries, snacks, household items, and more. And to download the coupon, simply tap Clip Deal next to the offer that you want. Clip coupons are saved to your account and will automatically be applied when you shop in store or scan at checkout. You can clip as many deals as you want, just make sure that you clip before you shop. And to see all your downloaded coupons, go to Clip Deals or Wallet inside the app, and this shows everything you've clipped and ready to use. And that's how you download Safeway digital coupons in Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.